Endurance of muscle. Three factors are essential for the contraction of skeletal muscle, that is, strength of muscle, power of muscle, and endurance of muscle. Strength and power of muscle are the two factors which determine the endurance of muscle. Power of the muscle is developed by the strength of the muscle. Strength of the muscle. Maximum force that can be developed during contraction is known as strength of the muscle. It is defined as the maximal contractile force produced per square centimeter of the cross-section area of the skeletal muscle. The normal force produced by the muscle is about 3 to 4 kg per centimeter square area of the muscle. If the size of the muscle is more, the strength developed also will be more. Types of muscle strength. Strength of muscle is of two types, that is, contractile strength and holding strength. Power of the muscle. Amount of the work done by the muscle in a given unit of time is called the power. Power of the muscle develops upon three factors. Muscle power is directly proportional to these factors, that is, strength of the muscle, force of the contraction, and frequency of the contraction. Endurance of the muscle. Capacity of the muscle to withstand the power produced during the activity is called endurance. It develops mostly on the supply of nutrition to the muscle. High carbohydrate diet 40 gram per kg muscle, mixed diet 20 gram per kg muscle, high fat diet 6 gram per kg muscle. So it is all about endurance of muscle.